Okay, so I think I successfully... Oh, I should actually show you what this is. This is the Dr. Tan card. I think I've successfully sharpened it enough because let me get a piece of paper. Actually, here. What I'm doing is I'm doing this like that, and then right like that, and just like that. It's pretty much more. It's pretty much just like a scalpel anyway. But yeah. Well, that's the shaving test anyway. So I actually do this. Okay, we're here. This right here, there is, right? Yeah, just a little bit more. I'm doing this like, I'm like not near. This is not even near me. I'm doing this like right here, and my hand is like out the way, and it's just so I won't be able to. Okay. That's why I also do the back. We do the back also. I'm going to do this to get the thing off. Okay, I can see this. Yeah. Yes, there's a possible chance. I mean, well, yeah. What if I use the one thing I have? This is definitely sharp right here. I might have to. Got a little bit of water somewhere. Yeah, a little bit of water here. My hand is not near it, so don't worry. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. We can't actually saw like this, like cut like this. Kind of. I have to do this like for 15,000 minutes. Or I can just go ahead and just get the eat thing. Which I don't remember where that is. Oh, yes I do. Where do I? 1 second. Okay. Perfect. It's good enough. So yeah, use one of these. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna 10 passes here, 10 passes here. So yeah, put it back on the cord. Actually, we do this. See if it will cut. We'll cut this. So yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, we'll cut this. So see if she was in a fluke. Good. Have it. Now I know how to sharpen these things. I'm gonna sharpen these things with this. So yeah. Anything else I need to sharpen? Nothing forever. Now I'm living my whole own life. It's shine. Nothing forever. So it is sharp. That's good. Anyway. Anyway.